Hey survivors, welcome back. It's Chris. It's that time of year, summer is winding down, the fair is in full effect, and we are going to take a look at some of that junk food that you find out there at the fair, and we are going to veganize it. So today I bring you deep fried Oreos.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
Alright, so let's just get started here. This is a very easy recipe. There's not much to it. Doesn't take that long. I don't actually have Oreos, but what I have instead are original flavored OREOs. These use an organic flour and organic sugar, and look at that. All proceeds go to charity. So I'm going to use these. They taste very similar to Oreo, and this is obviously going to be our main ingredient. So we'll put that to the side for now, and we have to make our batter. Okay, so what we have here is, this is a hand-me-down food processor, but it works all the same. I need to plug this in, so you don't have to use a food processor. You could use a blender, or you could just whisk away like crazy, and either way it's fine. I'm gonna start out with a bowl, a big bowl like this, and what I have here is 1.5 cups of flour. I'm also gonna put a teaspoon of sea salt in there. I have a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Bam! I also have 1.5 teaspoon of bacon powder. Don't get those two confused. And then I have a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and then I have 1.25 cup of your favorite vegan milk. I'm using Oatly. Bam. And then I have firm silken tofu. Now this is not like regular tofu that you cook up and eat. This is the kind you cook with. I mean, you can eat it, but I think it's kind of gross to just eat this. It's mushy and it doesn't cook like regular tofu. So we're gonna use half a package of this. And I just cut that in half, and as you can see, it's slimy. There we go. Okay, we're just gonna pour all of that. I got a little too excited. You're supposed to whisk the dry ingredients first, but it's okay, it'll still work. We almost forgot. I'm also gonna put a tablespoon of pure maple syrup in there. Eyeball that, bam. And now we are going to process in the food processor. So here we go. Perfect, it tastes like pancake batter. In fact, you could use this for pancakes. And we're just gonna take this and pour it back into that bowl. Try to get as much out of there as you can. All right, so now we have our batter right here, and eventually we're gonna dip those Oreos in it, but we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna clean up and get our oil ready. So I have a pot like this. It's fairly deep. If you have a deep fryer, that's even better. I don't have one, so I'm making my own right here. And I'm going to pour a vegetable oil into here. And as we all know, I don't really do oil, so remember, this is fair food. It's not supposed to be healthy. That's good right there. So that's a whole container of 100% pure vegetable oil. And it goes up to about here. And that's what you want. We're gonna heat this up to about 375 degrees. If you have a candy thermometer, that's perfect. And we're just gonna put this on a medium-high heat. All right, so we have our oil all heated up. It's ready to go. You can find out by just kind of taking a little bit of the batter, just a little bit, and dripping it in there. And if it starts bubbling like that, it's ready to go. I have a plate with some paper towels to wipe off the excess oil, and we have the OREOs. Here's our batter, and we are just going to open the cookies and we're going to dunk them in there. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And then you just want to coat them completely in the batter. Just like that. I'm just going to use my fingers. It's going to get the least amount of mess over here. Okay, here we go. And that's what you want to do. Try not to burn yourself. There we go. We're going to let them fry up for a few minutes until they're a nice golden brown. Make sure you flip them halfway through. I have like a little wooden spoon here that easy to flip them. That's how they do donuts, at least where I've worked. So as you can see, nice and golden brown like that. That's what you want them to look like on each side. And this batter should be able to make the whole pack, if not close to it. They kind of look like blueberry muffins from here. All right, let's take these out. All right, so the other thing that you can do with these, which is optional, is I have some powdered sugar. Sprinkle some of that on there. All right, I think we should cut into one of these. What do you think? Oh, look at that. Well, there you go. Vegan deep fried Oreos, just like the State Fair. And if you look closely at the outer shell there, it came out perfect. It's kind of like a donut with an Oreo in the middle. But I won't eat these every day. I wouldn't even eat them every week. Heck, I probably won't even eat these ones. I'll give them to someone else. But if you're looking to deep fry Oreos, use this recipe. And if you want to deep fry something else, try this recipe and let me know how it goes in the comments below. If you like this video, please give me that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell so you don't miss notifications. And as always, stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.